Hi guys, we all know how refreshing a dip in a pool can be, but did you know the chlorine can also wreak havoc on your hair, scalp, and skin? Don't worry, we've got a natural remedy to help you out. Introducing Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask, a unique formula of clays, minerals, and herbs created to detoxify the hair follicles, roots, oil glands, and scalp. This hair mask dynamically assists in reversing chemical damage caused by the environment and past use of synthetic hair products. This amazing product is your go-to for repairing the damage that swimming can do. Chlorine can cause serious damage to your hair, making it dry and brittle. But with Zen Detox, you can easily detoxify and heal your hair. Let's start with a scalp detox. The healthiest hair begins with a healthy scalp, and bentonite clay acts like a natural sponge, pulling out chemicals left by chlorine without stripping your hair of its essential oils. Here's how to make your own at-home scalp treatment with Zen Detox. The first step, remember, use a non-metal bowl and mixing spoon to avoid any negative reactions. The second step, mix 2 to 4 tablespoons of warm distilled water with 2 to 4 tablespoons of Zen Detox powder. The third step, massage the clay mixture into your scalp and smooth it onto your hair strands. And the last step, let it sit for about 20 minutes. To remove the mask, rinse your scalp with water, gently working out most of the clay with your hands. Get the excess mixture off with water only, no shampoo needed. And voila! Say hello to revitalized healthy hair and scalp. Zen Detox with bentonite clay is your perfect solution for combating the harmful effects of chlorine. Try Zen Detox today and experience the natural way to heal and detoxify your hair from swimming damage. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep enjoying those swims without worry. See you next time! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more information on hair care and wellness.